I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of